When we look, though, at the big picture, it's clear that global warming is going to rearrange the hydrologic cycle in many ways, not just creating more drought in some of these key hotspots of drought where we see now, but also in areas that are relatively wet, like Michigan. We expect to see both an increase in the amount of rainfall and an increase in the amount of rainfall that comes in strong storms, an increase in the frequency of strong storms, and an increase in the intensity of strong storms. So rainfall will become more and more concentrated in these stronger storms that happen with maybe more space in between them, more days in between the storms. So it's kind of like it never rains, but it pours. That's sort of what we're looking at increasingly in Michigan. Another thing to think about is that the increased annual amounts of rainfall, not only will they come in stronger storms, but they'll come in different seasons, right? So right now, the projections for Michigan suggest that the winter and spring seasons are likely to see the greatest increases. The summer is extremely patchy, and patchy at a degree that I'm not sure we can say very much yet about what areas are really likely to get wetter or drier. It's very patchy. And then the fall is slightly patchy with a little bit of tendency to be wetter. So just at the time when we might need it the most, right, which would be the summer growing season, we may be seeing rainfall that either doesn't increase or could even go down. Add to that the fact that temperatures are going to go up, right? And that's a very clear, like by mid-century in Michigan, probably by a couple degrees Celsius or 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, that warming is not spread evenly over the year. It is also concentrated in summer. So summers are not going to see a massive increase in rainfall according to the model simulations that we have now, but they are going to see significant warming, which leads to the inescapable conclusion that summertime conditions in Michigan are likely to experience greater frequency of drought, even in a place where we know rainfall is already going up and becoming more intense. With respect to infrastructure, we need to think about infrastructure that is climate resilient and that is built to handle larger volumes of water coming all at one time.